So a few years ago, I ran into a client. It was an employee of one of our clients, actually. He worked at the University of Nebraska. And this guy came up to our booth and just smiling. I mean, he recognized our name, but he was smiling and just like really happy about things. So I said, what do you got to be so happy about? He goes, I just love my job. Tell me about that. What is it that you do that you love my job? He goes, at Nebraska, I don't have to do the things I'm not very good at. I got people for those. And I get to do the thing that I'm really good at. So the moral of that story was that the same kind of advice I've been giving my kids ever since I've heard that. Find something you love. If you love it, you'll get good at it. If you get good at it, they'll pay you for it. Think about that.